welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Mehak Khemka. If you are new here for the first time on my channel, then I create videos related to fashion, DIY hacks, vlogs, all of that stuff. And now I have started a review series जो मैं every Saturday एक review video डालती हूँ. Just go on my profile and check it. You will get to know about it. Now let's talk about today's video. Today's video is super amazing and थोड़ा सा अलग भी है. I am showing you jeans and top outfits. Actually मुझे कमेंट में किसी ने बोला था प्लीज़ बता दो कैसे मतलब क्या jeans and tops के outfit हो सकते हैं. So I thought why not let's just make a video. So इसमें मैंने ना 3 टाइप के jeans पहने हैं and तीनों jeans के ऊपर मैंने 6 outfits मतलब 6 tops स्टाइल किए हैं and I hope this is going to be useful and you will enjoy watching this video. Also हमारे पास कपड़े होते हैं बट समझता नहीं कब किसके साथ क्या पहनूं. So this is going to be useful like you watch it till the end and definitely आपको कुछ अच्छे आइडियाज़ मिल जाएंगे. मुझे भी पहनते पहनते ही बहुत नए जीन्स के साथ पहनने के आउटफिट्स मिल गए जो अब मैं रियल लाइफ में स्टाइल करूँगी उसको. So yeah, make sure you watch this video and also go and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. So please do that and without wasting more time, let's just start the video. So for the first look, I am wearing my wide leg jeans which is now in so much trend and on top of that I am wearing this short kurti जो बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. Like if you don't love to wear long kurtis, short kurtis on jeans are the best combination. I like to wear heels on my jeans. So पूरे वीडियो में I am wearing only heels. Like मैंने footwear change नहीं किए but I'll be changing my bag. And on this outfit I wore this, I have taken this white bag and ये bag आगे भी बहुत देखने मिलेगा cause this is my one of the favorite bag. And yeah, this is my simple first look. You can wear this in college and it will look super cute. So yeah. For the next look, I am wearing this cute pink top which has stripes on it like a white and pink top, and I took this cutie pink chotu sa bag with me to complement my outfit color. And yeah, I can make this bag as a sling bag as well. It will look good. Here is my complete look. You can just wear this kind of outfit on like a brunch date or maybe like a going with girls out, so it will look good. This is one of my favorite look and I just love to wear this kind of top with jeans cause they are super basic, chic and stylish. And with this I am pairing this grey chotu sa bag. I love to wear, like I love to carry small bags and you can make this bag like a sling bag as well. And yeah, this kind of outfit is perfect for movie date. Like recently I wore on a movie date only. So yeah, I like this like combination. You can also try it. So for the next look I am wearing my formal shirts and जिसने भी कहा है ऐसे formal shirts formal parties या formal occasion पे पहन सकते हैं. No, you are wrong. Like I am pairing this with my jeans and this is looking super comfortable, classy and I just love to wear shirts. Also इसको हम अगर खोल के अच्छी से tie करेंगे like in a funky way, it can give like a funky look. So I don't think shorts are only for formal and this look is looking at least semi formal. So if you have any kind of that occasion going on, you can definitely pair your short with your jeans. And yeah, this is my simple basic look. I just love to wear shorts. Why, I don't know why it is so underrated. So yeah, this is my next look. So now for the next look, I am wearing this nice amazing party wear crop top. And if you are not allowed to wear short clothes or something like that, just wear a jacket on that. And also like तुम्हारे पास skirts वगैरह नहीं है, fancy clothing नहीं है, it's okay. You can anytime go with jeans and a nice fancy stylish crop top for your clubbing party, all of that. And just look at this, like I won't say it is not a short cloth, it is thoda bahut, but still like you can button up your denim jacket and yeah, you can go. So for my next look I am wearing this basic t-shirt which has this rubber print going on in the front side. And yeah, I love to wear basic t-shirts. These are the universal pieces that everyone should have. And I am carrying my white hand purse जो मैंने बोला था आगे के वीडियोस में बहुत देखने मिलेगा. So जैसे ये t-shirt यूनिवर्सल है, ये बैग भी यूनिवर्सल है, सब पे सूट हो जाता है बहुत अच्छी से. एंड या दिस इज़ माई बेसिक लुक। टी शर्ट को तुम अलग अलग स्टाइल में स्टाइल कर सकते हो, वो तुम टी शर्ट स्टाइलिंग वीडियोज़ देख सकते हो। आई जस्ट टक इट फ्रॉम द बैक साइड एंड आगे मैंने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया है टू गिव इट अ नाइस इल्यूजन ऑफ माई बॉडी। एंड या दिस इज़ वॉट आई लव इट। Now I changed my jeans to white flare jeans and this color is so awesome. Like वो basic blue jeans से थोड़ा अलग and better लगता है white jeans. So if you don't have, just go and grab one. And I am pairing my jeans with a nice furry top and a pink bag which is complementing my outfit. And this is like a nice look for clubbing parties, all of that, cause that furry thing is looking super good and awesome. So yeah, if you want, you can definitely try this kind of tops with this jeans. Now for this look, I am wearing my crop top with the jeans and adding a jacket which is a black jacket. सो समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि किसी के घर में अलाउड नहीं होता क्रॉप टॉप्स या स्लीवलेस टॉप्स पहनना. सो या यू कैन जस्ट स्टाइल दिस काइंड ऑफ आउटफिट्स विद अ जैकेट, लाइक अ स्टाइलिश जैकेट, नॉट दैट द बेसिक डेनिम वन. इफ़ यू हैव दैट, यू कैन ऑब्वियसली go with that. And I took a bag to create like a nice college going look. This is very simple, chic and cute at the same time. Also ज़्यादा revealing क्या बिल्कुल भी revealing नहीं है. So yeah, it's a nice basic outfit. So now for this look, I am wearing my basic simple pink full sleeves top and carrying my bag with it. Also this look is nice for skinny girls. Like full sleeves tops are one of the best thing to go for skinny people. Wear a jeans, full sleeves top, hoodies, all that kind of stuff and you will look good. Also skinny bhi nahi lagoge. So yeah, go for this kind of outfit. Also fat people can also go, like it is not a specific skinny video, but yeah, this specific outfit is good for them. And yeah, you can tuck it to give it a nice definition, and this is my look. So for this look, I am wearing my high neck top, and let me tell you, I am not a fan of high neck top, but this top, this is bodycon top, and this is looking super pretty on me anytime I wear it with any kind of outfit. Like इसके साथ भी पेयर कर लो, बहुत प्यारा लगता है. I am taking this white bag with this outfit and you can only look it like ये बहुत simply chic और stylish लग रहा है. effortlessly beautiful लग रही हूँ मैं इसमें, to be honest. And yeah, high neck tops are underrated, I think. So चालू कर दो पहनना, it is going to look good. So for this look, I am wearing this grey shirt, and full sleeve shirt तो mostly formal look देता है, but this half sleeve shirts look super chic, stylish and trendy also. So yeah, I am carrying my grey bag जो sling bag भी बन सकता है, and for now I am carrying it in my hand. एंड मैंने सिर्फ आगे से 2 बटन टक किए हैं एंड थोड़ा शोल्डर से ऊपर ले लिया है टू मेक इट लुक लाइक अ नाइस क्रॉप टॉप. एंड दिस इज़ लुकिंग सुपर स्टाइलिश एंड या यू कैन वेयर इट एनीवेयर, लाइक पार्टी में, सिंपल पार्टी, ब्रंच आउटफिट, गर्ल्स नाइट, मूवी, ये सब में पहन लो, इट विल लुक गुड. Now for this look, I am wearing my high neck top, which is a sheer top, like ये transparent है. अंदर I need to wear a nice bralette to make it look more stylish, and carrying my white purse. It is also, this look is also good for party and very simple, basic, effortless look anytime to go for. Also high neck top एक अच्छा look देता है, so make sure you go for that kind of top. So I changed my jeans to this mom jeans and thought of creating something different. So here I created this denim on denim look, and on the upper side I am wearing this denim shirt, and on the bottom, as you can see, my mom jeans which is of denim. Like yeah, I thought why not, let's just make this look a college going look, cause this is super stylish, unique and I love it. So yeah, I'm carrying my bag to go for college and I'm here ready. Let me know how do you like this look in the comment section. And yeah, this is my denim on denim look. I just love it. So for the next look, I'm wearing this net का top, and वो basic top से थोड़ा अलग भी लगता है this kind of top. इसके अंदर I'm wearing a pink sando, also carrying this pink sling bag, and yeah, that's, I like it. And this is a basic nice top, like वो अच्छा लगता है कभी कभी ये kind of tops भी. You can wear it anywhere you like it. So yeah. Now here comes my favorite top. So this top is so much airy, like literally I love this pattern, and this is very unique also stylish. I'm carrying it with my white bag. As I said, matching my top and back outfit color is my favorite thing. So here what I am doing, and like वो बेसिक टॉप्स नहीं पहनना है तो यू कैन गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉप्स. लाइक दिस इज़ लुकिंग गुड फॉर कहीं घूमने जा रहे हो बेसिक जगह पे. सो या इट इज़ लुकिंग नाइस. Also, I am a big fan of crop top. Here is my full sleeves crop top. I just go and find कि मुझे full sleeves का crop top मिल जाए, so मैं ज़्यादा skinny भी नहीं लगूँ और मेरे को crop top पसंद है वो भी मिल जाए मुझे. So this is one of that top जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा खासा मिल गया था, and I am pairing it with my jeans. And as you can see मैंने heels पहने, उससे jeans का look भी अच्छा आ रहा है. And yeah, carrying my casual white handbag. एंड दिस इज़ द बेसिक लुक. लाइक ये क्रॉप टॉप की वजह से स्टाइलिश भी लग रहा है एंड फुल स्लीव्स है तो ज़्यादा रिवीलिंग भी नहीं है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉप्स आर मस्ट हैव टॉप्स फॉर मी. एंड अगर आपका मेरा प्रेफरेंस सेम है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉप्स. So now for this look I am wearing a crop top and this is also very sleeveless, so I don't want to wear any kind of revealing clothes in this video, so I am adding a jacket onto it. And this is a nice summery outfit you can say, cause crop top है फिर jacket से we can layer it up, and jeans तो ठीक है पहनते ही है सब. So yeah, this is a nice amazing summery look. Also revealing ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है, very basics. So here comes our last look, and I have to wear a full sleeves top when it is a last outfit. As you know, I love to wear full sleeves cloth. So this is my basic top, very loose top. I like to wear loose top because skinny people को ज़रूरत पड़ती है loose tops पहनने की. And I am carrying it with my grey bag, and this is the complete look, simple, classy, and yeah. So that was it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Make sure you give it a like cause this was super tough. Like इतने कपड़े change करना was like headache for me, and but I did it. I thought मैं 50 outfit करूँगी but मेरा इतने में ही like हो गया. I'm done. So 50 outfits next time कभी try करेंगे. Now for this, please let me know in the comment section ये useful था कि नहीं video, and you guys can relate or not, क्योंकि ये video पूरा relatable था and you can wear all of this in real life. So I hope मेरी इतनी मेहनत काम आई हो. So please make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video cause this is very relatable, so everyone can watch it and get some ideas. And I'll be seeing you in next video super soon. Also मेरे review series जाके देख लो, please go and watch it. And yeah, bye bye, take care.